So because I'm out of town, yes, I'm at the laundromat doing my washing because the hotel doesn't have any that I know of. Stained roofs, you know what that means. But just walking around, it seems very clean. You got a few crappy little games here. You got the infamous coin pusher, made famous by Brandon from Investment Joy. There's me. Smashed bit of glass, plastic, whatever it is. Little game machine. But listening to so many of King of Laundry's videos, I feel like I've learned a lot about laundromats. And this is probably my second time in my life that I'm actually using a laundromat. It's kind of fun, I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of fun. It takes about an hour. And I'm just hanging around, and I did see right next door an SSC dub. You know what an SSC dub is? Self-serve car wash. It's got 3 in-bay automatics. 2 are soft touch, 1 is touchless. And the funny thing is, I've seen 6 cars go in and they've all used the touchless. Not one used the soft touch. So I don't know what that tells you. Well, I kind of do. And then there's 2 self-serve bays. So let's go over to the car wash while I wait for my clothes to dry and check it out. Because that's what I am. I'm the car wash guy. I'm not the laundry guy. I'm just at a laundromat doing my laundry. And like I said, it's fun. Couldn't do it every week. But here in Texas, it's kind of fun. I think I'll fit in that. Then you got infamous vending machines. Nothing I want. You got drink machines. Nothing I want. I would guess, and I'm no expert, but I would guess this place is 2,200 square feet, maybe 25. It's pretty good. There's plenty of room in between. I believe 6 feet is decent enough. Looks like they have a little drop-off, wash, fold, dry service going on. There's no one there, unless they're behind in the office hiding. But yeah, it's pretty clean. It's a light grey on the walls. It feels clean. It's no hospital white like I heard. Floors are decent. Doesn't look too bad. Nice and clean. Looks like the fake wood. Could be laminate. Can't really tell. I think it's the fake wood. Again, I heard rip it up and just polish the concrete. It's another King of Laundry tip. There's 3 bill changes here, so that's pretty good. 1 goes down, still got 2. And then you got the soap vending machines. I think it's like the old school one. It's kind of cool. This is a whole new experience for me. You got gumball machines. Really don't make any money. You got a little tiny claw machine. Really wouldn't make any money from that. $1 a week, $2 a week. I couldn't even tell you what size washing machines these are. Maybe 50, 60 pounds. They're the big ones. These look like the small ones. I would guess 20 pounders. Very small door. Almost a hand size. So you got the small ones. You got the big ones. It's all Dexter equipment. And then you have all your nice Dexter dryers around the whole back wall. Very nice. I mean, there's no customers. Today is Friday. It's about 100 degrees in Midlothian, Texas. And there's 3 customers in here. I'm guessing that's not that good. But Sunday will be a different story. Because you know what he says. You make half your money on Sunday and the rest of the week is catch up. I'm just going to quote you, Danny. Every time I'm in a laundromat, I'm going to quote you. Indications that maybe the tenant is behind on their rent, maybe because they're too scared to call the landlord and tell them to fix it. That's my clothes. What do I got? 17 minutes to go. Wow, it's really hot. Yeah, I didn't want to reach that. Where is everybody? I mean, there's laundry in there, but it's quiet. I mean, it's a nice facility. I like it here. It's clean, feels good. Plenty of parking right out front. Just no people. I don't know. Thank you, Wash It Quick. Thank you. All right, let's go ahead. Let's leave the laundromat. We're going to the car wash right here. I could have walked, but then I wouldn't have a car to wash. Panther Car Wash. So like I said, one touchless in-bay automatic, two soft touch automatic. Soft touch. Oh look, we got a customer in the soft touch. I can't even speak, it's so hot. 98 and humid. So soft touch. Like I said, I've seen about 6 go through the touchless one in the last hour. And that's the first one I've seen in the touch. But anyway, let's check out the self-serves because that's what I like and care about the most. What do we got? Oh, we got hog's hair, very nice. Oh, we got a bold hog's hair. Man, it's so low. That's so low, that needs changing out big time. So what are they doing right? I like that. Coins, bills, credit card, 10 function rotary switch. Very, very good. That's all correct. Hopefully they work. Let's go to the bill changer and change this, even though I could just put that in. I like to test the bill changer. It's always fun. $2, probably for 3 minutes. We'll find out. 2 vacuums over there. Vacuums are covered with a little awning, but you got the trees for shade. Definitely need shade. Wait, where is the bill changer? I don't see a bill changer. Okay, I found the bill changer. It's 1. Again, if it goes down, he's got bills in the bay, so it's not the biggest deal, but maybe the vacuums will struggle. Oh, it is down. Oh, no, it's not. My folded bill was just being... Whoa! Dump them out. All right, should have 20 quarters. Looks about right. Let's go check it out. But before we test out the bay, let's check out the 3 in-bay automatics. 3. Is that overkill? I don't know. If the demand's there, I don't know. There we have the pay station. This is the touchless. It's a razor edge. looks very good. It's got the nice lights, nice clean bay, nice and wide. That looks very cool. I might even have to use it just to test it out because it looks so good. Next we have a soft touch. 11, 13, 15. Seems reasonable. Different pay station for this one. You got the tire brushes here. Pro Touch Tandem. You just got the one set of brushes there. You got the brushes up top there. I think I like the Razor Edge better. Same pay station as the other one and the exact same machine. So they have two soft touches, one touchless. That's a lot. It's a lot of money right there. It's got to be at least close to $700,000. But again, with the self-serves, I'm only seeing 2 hoses in the bays. The soap brush and the high pressure gun. Could add more. $2 for 4 minutes. Wow. It's pretty good. Tire cleaner. Okay, not much going on here. Okay, there we go. Still warming up. Okay, it's coming out okay, but again, there's no brush to scrub it with. So there's that. 2. Pre-soak. So my phone actually died, so I'm back. It's a few days later at the exact same car wash, and we're going to continue. I think we're up to the pre-soak. So let's get back to it with the pre-soak, shall we? Full battery this time. All right, here we go. Pre-soak. Not too much going on except a little leak. There it is. After 15 seconds, we start to see a little soap. Okay, you guys get it. Here's what it is. High pressure soap. That's all the pre-soak. Let's get that out. Now the line is clear. We should get some soap right about canal. High pressure soap. Wait for you. There it is. What a good amount. Beautiful. Wouldn't change a thing. Not too little, not too much. Spot on. Foamy brush. Oh, it's coming out pretty quickly, so that's good. About 2-3 seconds and it was coming out. It looks like they're using the bubble up because it's blue. And like I said, it's time to change the brush head. That's pretty good. Can't complain about that. Any thicker and it would probably be too thick sticking to the car in this heat. So that's a pretty good consistency. If they had a brand new brush on here with the 4-inch brushes, it wouldn't come out like that. It would come out blobbing because it would mix in the brushes, if that makes sense. It wouldn't shoot out like that. It would come out blobby. So if you're having that issue, change the brush head. Next is rinse. We're gonna skip the rinse. We're gonna go straight to the wax. So we wanna see some wax. I'm yet to really see visible wax here in Texas from all the car washes I went to. So that's still the high pressure soap. That is the clear line, and now I want to see some wax, and I see it. Just. Maybe they use different wax here, because it looks like there's wax on the car, but you just can't really see it. Must be something about the Texas wax. I feel like it's there, but you can't see it. Interesting. Boog off. Oh, boog off. Let's try the boog off. So this will probably be similar to the tie cleaner slash pre-soak. Bug off is good for the front of the car, obviously, for when you're driving along and you murder all those bugs with your car. I mean, this is really weak. I'm not really sure if anything's coming out. And after 15 seconds, I'm kind of over it. So I think I'm gonna skip the boog off and just, that's it, I think. We got spot free. Spot free, let's feel the pressure on that. Okay, so there's the bug off that was in the lines because it was so weak you just couldn't really see it. So it was in there. See, I should be spraying it now on the front, but this is spot free, so it should clear up in a second. And there we have the spot free. This is a good enough pressure for the spot free, pretty good. Maybe 100 PSI, 120. But yeah, can't complain about the SF. All right, so I'm just gonna finish rinsing off all the stuff I put on the truck. Decent pressure, probably 1100. Good enough, feels good. So I'm actually going to go out to the vacuums and vacuum the truck because it's a rental and I take it back tomorrow and I want to take it back looking nice. So they got nothing to complain about. Usually I don't do the vacuums because vacuums are kind of boring to watch. But this time I'm going to do the vacuum. Hopefully it works. Ooh, they have bill acceptors in the vacuums. That's cool. Very cool. So it's a J.E. Adams. We got the long hull. We got the long faceplate. Look how long that faceplate is. You got the bill acceptor, which is cool, and it's a coin jam, so that's unfortunate. I will not be able to use this one because I put my $10 bill in the bill changer, and I don't want to put 10 bucks in there. So let's try this one over here. See, that's kind of the stuff I'm talking about. That's what I want to vacuum up. So let's see if we can get that job done. So this vacuum's different than the one. This is a dual vacuum. You got that. It's 2-in-1. You got bill acceptor either side. It's $1. This one is not jammed, so I'm going to go ahead and use it. Will it be the left or the right? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's what we want a vacuum to be like. Very nice. So there you have it, vacuumed the car, worked very well, and that's exactly what a customer wants, is a vacuum that sucks really hard, get the job done, leave happy, and they'll probably come back. If it sucked like 50% and it's like, it's not really getting up much, they're probably not going to come back and they're not going to be happy. The coin jam, that's why you got to come to your car washes every day to check them. Coin jam, you might clean up the whole place, make sure there's no jams anywhere, you leave, the next customer comes in 10 minutes, jams it up. So that's why you got to come every day. If you come every other day or every third day, then that vacuum is down until you jam it up. But it does take bill acceptors, so that's a good thing. But like me, I only had a $10 bill and I didn't want to get like 20 minutes worth of vacuum time, probably more, 40 minutes. So anyway, that's it guys, another car wash done. Thanks for watching. I'm Chris Atkins with the Car Wash Chronicles. See you all next time.